How to redeem Seatgeek promo code. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Seatgeek. Or you can simply head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site of Seatgeek. Enter your login credential and then sign into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface. In this page, tons of different tickets will be available to you. Head over to any of the tickets that you want to purchase. Let me head over to sports. Click on any of the game that you want to see. Now you will have to choose a specific game and a date. Click on the one that you want to. The price range will be visible to you. Click on the one that will be suitable for you, and then click on continue. Now during the checkout time, the option of codes will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. Here it says $20 off on any eligible purchase over $50, valid on first purchase only. So click on add code. In this section, simply enter the code that is given to you, and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, your code will be redeemed, and then you will be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem promo code on Seatgeek. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And thank you for staying with us till the end.